Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Biology Boss MCQ Part 41. I'd like to encourage you to learn, to like, to share, and to subscribe. Which one of the following sets of conditions can occur at the same time in a mammalian body? A. Vasoconstriction, reduced metabolic rate, and relaxation of erector pilli muscle. B. Vasodilation, increased sweating, and contraction of erector pilli muscle. C. Increased sweating, vasodilation, and relaxation of erector pilli muscle. D. Vasodilation, increased sweating, and contraction of erector pilli muscle. And the answer is C. Increased sweating, vasodilation, and relaxation of erector pilli muscle. Of the following is a correct statement about the nervous system. A. Impulses are carried by the blood. B. Its effect is widespread. C. Responses are slow. D. Impulses are electrical in nature. And the answer is D. Impulses are electrical in nature. Which of the following features is not found in lumbar vertebrae? A. Vertebrarterial canals. B. Centrum. C. Neurospine. D. Transverse processes. And the answer is A. Vertebrarterial canals. Which one of the following is not necessary for germination of all seed types? A. Water. B. Light. C. Oxygen. D. Warmth. And the answer is B. Light. Which one of the following is true of insect-pollinated flowers? A. Produce large quantities of pollen. B. Have large feathery stigma. C. Have long filaments. D. Produce large pollen grains. And the answer is D. Produce large pollen grains. In Drosophila, the gene for long wings is dominant over that for short wings. Two heterozygous long-winged Drosophila were mated and produced 92 offsprings. What was the approximate number of long-winged flies? A. 23, B. 42, C. 69, D. 92, and the answer is A. 23. Which of the following is the best method of estimating the population of rats in the garden? A. Capture-recapture method, B. Total count, C. Transect, D. Quadrant method. And the answer is A. Capture-recapture method. Moses are A. Angiosperms, B. Gymnosperms, C. Pteridophytes, D. Bryophytes, and the answer is D. Bryophytes. A sample of soil was heated in a crucible until it was read. The following were recorded. Initial weight, A. Final weight, B. A minus B gives us X. X represents A. Water in the soil, B. Humus in the soil, C. Humus plus water in the soil, D. Air in the soil, and the answer is C. Humus and water in the soil. In which of the following parts of the mammalian gut does most absorption of water occur? A. Colon, B. Stomach, C. Ileum, D. Duodenum, and the answer is A. Colon. Water movement up the stem of the tree is by A. Osmosis, B. Diffusion, C. Transpiration, D. Active transport, and the answer is C. Transpiration pool. The equation glucose giving us ethanol plus carbon dioxide plus energy represents A. Anaerobic respiration in animals, B. Aerobic respiration in plants, C. Aerobic respiration in animals. D. Anaerobic respiration in plants. And the answer is D. Anaerobic respiration in plants. Which of the following is not a homeostatic organ? A. Lungs. B. Bladder. C. Kidney. D. Liver. And the answer is B. Bladder. A motor neuron. A. Relays impulses to effector organs. B. Relays impulses to the spinal cord. C. Receives impulses from receptors. D. Relays impulses to intermediate neurons. And the answer is A. Relays impulses to effectors organs. Which one of the following is not important for flight in birds? A. Hollow bones. B. Large chest muscles. C. Down feathers. D. Streamlined body. And the answer is C. Down feathers. The non-functional human appendix is an example of A. Homologous structures. B. Analogous structures. C. Vestigial structures. D. None of the above. And the answer is C. Vestigial structures. The structure that protects the mammalian fetus is the A. Amniotic sac. B. Placenta. C. Oviduct. D. Umbilical cord. And the answer is A. Amniotic sac. Which of the following is sex-linked? A. Albinism. B. Hemophilia. C. Sickle cells, anemia. D. Mongolism. And the answer is B. Hemophilia. Rapid deforestation may lead to increase in A. The level of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. B. Level of nitrogen in the atmosphere. C. Growth of algae in water bodies. D. Water pollution. And the answer is A. The level of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. One suffers from long-sightedness when the image of A. Far objects are focused in front of the retina. B. Near objects are focused behind the retina. C. Far objects are focused behind the retina. D. Near objects are focused in front of the retina. And the answer is B. Near objects are focused behind the retina. Hello friends. Thank you very much for participating in Biology Boss MCQ Part 41. I would like you to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.